So good morning everyone, we're here for another informative video about plants. So our topic for today is all about the 18 best types of peace lily plants. So there are different types of peace lily plants that I want you to know. But before that, if you want more videos like this about plants, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell below this video so that you'll be updated with our future uploads in this channel. So going back to our topic, what are the 18 best types of peace lily plant? We have the first one, the Piccolino. Piccolino is a dwarf compact peace lily variety. The plant displays shiny dark green leaves with pure white blooms. The second type is the sensation peace lily. Probably this is the largest peace lily variety available that offers emerged tropical leaves, which can grow up to 4 to 6 feet tall. Third peace lily plant is the Patricia. This compact variety showcases rich green leaves with white blooms, making for a great contrast display that shines elegantly in your space. Our next peace lily is the Sonia. This beautiful variety is distinguished from other peace lilies due to its small structure and charming with white blooms. Next peace lily is the Little Angel. The Little Angel is compact dwarf specimen that grows bracts more readily than other varieties. The leaves are deep green and glossy. The next peace lily is the White Stripe. This small variety exhibits a beautiful matte finished green leaves with white stripes running up to the center. Our next peace lily plant variety is the Domino peace lily. Domino peace lily is an easygoing plant and offers ruffled green foliage patterned with very fine white streaks. It creates a beautiful contrast with white patches. Next peace lily plant variety is the Jetty peace lily. This gorgeous variety shows off glossy and green leaves with beautiful long-lasting with white bracts. Next type of peace lily is the Mauna Loa Supreme. This peace lily variety has medium size and can grow up to 3 to 4 feet tall. It has a true glossy green leaves that are up to 9 to 12 inches wide. Our next peace lily is the Clevelandii. Clevelandii features usually long leaves that can be up to 18 inches in length. It can grow up to 1 to 3 feet tall. Next peace lily plant is the Petite. This variety is a perfect choice as a houseplant due to its compact form and offers a dark green shiny leaves. Our next peace lily plant is the Wallisii. Wallisii is another dwarf variety that can grow up to 12 to 15 inches in height with 8 to 10 inches long rippled foliage. Next variety of peace lily is the Picasso. This is a beautiful specimen. It is quite popular thanks to the incredible variation on the leaves that come on shades of white and light green. Our next peace lily plant variety is the Allison. This hybrid variety makes a great houseplant and features flowers that looks like calla lilies. It can grow up to 2 feet tall and does best in indirect light. Our next peace lily variety is the Annette. Though the plant looks like other peace lily from our list, its patches are slightly curved at the edges and look brilliant with slightly variegated foliage. Our next variety of peace lily plant is the Bongo Bongo. The bold and beautiful foliage of Bongo Bongo is going to take you by surprise. Its leaves are 10 to 12 inches in length and have prominent lines. Our next peace lily variety is the Figaro. This variety has deep green foliage that contrasts really well in the pure white patches. It does well in indirect light. And our last peace lily variety is the Sebastiano. Sebastiano is a lush specimen with evergreen leaves. It is an awesome indoor plant that thrives in low light areas. So these are the 18 best types of peace lily plants. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell below this video so that you'll be updated with our future uploads in this channel. So that's all for now. Have a nice day everyone.